Top 25 Biochemist Interview Questions and Answers. A biochemist interview evaluates your scientific knowledge, laboratory experience, analytical thinking, and ability to solve complex biological problems. Employers also want to assess your understanding of laboratory safety, research methods, data analysis, teamwork, and communication skills. Preparing thoughtful answers before your interview helps you demonstrate confidence and professionalism. In this guide, you'll find 25 commonly asked biochemist interview questions with sample answers. Reviewing these responses will help you explain your expertise clearly, highlight your laboratory accomplishments, and improve your chances of securing a rewarding biochemist position. 1. Tell me about yourself. I am a dedicated biochemist with a strong background in biological sciences, laboratory techniques, and scientific research. I enjoy investigating biochemical processes and solving scientific challenges through careful experimentation and data analysis. My experience includes handling laboratory equipment, maintaining accurate records, and collaborating with research teams. I value precision, continuous learning, and following safety standards. I am eager to contribute my technical knowledge and research skills while supporting innovative projects that improve healthcare, biotechnology, or environmental science. 2. Why do you want to work as a biochemist? I enjoy discovering how biological systems function at the molecular level and using science to solve real-world problems. Working as a biochemist allows me to contribute to medical research, drug development, disease prevention, and scientific innovation. I find laboratory work exciting because every experiment provides opportunities to learn something new. My curiosity, analytical thinking, and passion for research motivate me to continuously improve my skills while contributing meaningful scientific discoveries to an organization. 3. What laboratory techniques are you most experienced with? I have experience using techniques such as PCR, gel electrophoresis, spectrophotometry, chromatography, ELISA, centrifugation, pipetting, and protein purification. I am comfortable preparing samples, maintaining laboratory equipment, documenting results accurately, and following standard operating procedures. I also understand quality control measures and troubleshooting experimental issues. My laboratory experience has strengthened my attention to detail and ability to produce reliable, reproducible experimental results while maintaining strict safety and compliance standards. 4. How do you ensure accuracy during experiments? Accuracy begins with careful planning and following established protocols. I always calibrate equipment before use, label samples correctly, double-check calculations, and document every observation immediately. I repeat experiments when necessary to verify results and carefully review data for inconsistencies. Following quality assurance procedures and maintaining organized laboratory records help minimize errors. I also consult colleagues when unexpected results occur to identify possible causes and improve experimental reliability. 5. Describe your experience with laboratory safety. Laboratory safety is always my highest priority. I consistently wear appropriate personal protective equipment, follow chemical handling guidelines, dispose of hazardous materials correctly, and maintain clean workstations. I understand emergency procedures, biological safety protocols, and proper equipment operation. Before beginning experiments, I assess potential risks and ensure compliance with laboratory regulations. Maintaining a safe working environment protects researchers, preserves sample integrity, and supports successful scientific investigations without unnecessary incidents. 6. How do you handle unexpected experimental results? Unexpected results are valuable learning opportunities. I first review my procedures, equipment calibration, sample preparation, and data collection methods to identify possible errors. If everything appears correct, I repeat the experiment to confirm the findings. I consult scientific literature and discuss observations with colleagues when necessary. Remaining objective, patient, and methodical allows me to determine whether unexpected outcomes indicate experimental mistakes or meaningful scientific discoveries requiring further investigation. 7. What experience do you have with data analysis? I have experience analyzing laboratory data using spreadsheets, statistical software, and scientific graphing tools. I carefully organize experimental results, identify patterns, calculate statistical significance, and prepare clear reports. Accurate data interpretation helps support scientific conclusions and research publications. I also understand the importance of maintaining complete documentation for reproducibility. Strong analytical skills enable me to make informed decisions while ensuring research findings remain accurate and scientifically reliable. 8. How do you prioritize multiple research projects? I organize projects by deadlines, complexity, resource availability, and organizational priorities. I create detailed schedules, monitor progress regularly, and communicate with supervisors about timelines. Breaking large projects into manageable tasks helps maintain productivity without compromising quality. I remain flexible when priorities change while ensuring all experiments receive proper attention. Effective time management allows me to complete multiple assignments efficiently while maintaining laboratory accuracy and scientific integrity. 9. Explain the importance of quality control in biochemical research. Quality control ensures experimental accuracy, consistency, and reproducibility. It involves calibrating instruments, validating methods, monitoring procedures, and documenting every step carefully. Following quality standards reduces errors and strengthens confidence in research findings. Reliable data supports scientific publications, product development, and regulatory compliance. I always follow established quality assurance protocols because dependable results are essential for successful research, patient safety, and maintaining an organization's scientific reputation. 10. How do you stay updated with scientific developments? I regularly read peer-reviewed journals, attend scientific webinars, participate in conferences, and follow professional organizations related to biochemistry. I also complete online courses and review newly published research to expand my knowledge. Staying informed about technological advancements, laboratory techniques, and scientific discoveries helps improve my research capabilities. Continuous learning enables me to apply modern methods and contribute innovative ideas to scientific projects and organizational goals. 11. Describe a challenging research project you worked on. One challenging project involved optimizing protein extraction from difficult biological samples. Initial methods produced inconsistent results, requiring multiple protocol adjustments. I carefully analyzed each experimental step, modified extraction conditions, and collaborated with colleagues to improve efficiency. Eventually, we achieved consistent, reproducible outcomes that supported further analysis. This experience strengthened my troubleshooting abilities, patience, teamwork, and confidence in solving complex scientific problems through systematic investigation. 12. How do you maintain accurate laboratory documentation? I record every procedure, observation, measurement, and result immediately during experiments using laboratory notebooks or electronic systems. I write clearly, include dates, sample information, equipment settings, and protocol modifications. Accurate documentation supports reproducibility, quality assurance, and regulatory compliance. Organized records also make reviewing experiments easier and help researchers verify findings. Maintaining detailed documentation reflects professionalism and contributes significantly to successful scientific research. 13. What motivates you in scientific research? I am motivated by the opportunity to discover new knowledge and contribute solutions that improve health, medicine, agriculture, or environmental sustainability. Every successful experiment brings valuable insights that may benefit society. I enjoy solving scientific challenges, learning advanced techniques, and collaborating with talented researchers. My passion for continuous improvement and curiosity about biological processes keeps me enthusiastic about pursuing excellence throughout my scientific career. 14. How do you work under pressure? I remain calm by organizing my tasks, focusing on priorities, and following structured laboratory procedures. Careful planning helps me meet deadlines without sacrificing accuracy or safety. When unexpected issues arise, I analyze the situation logically and adjust my approach accordingly. Maintaining professionalism and clear communication with colleagues ensures efficient teamwork. Working under pressure has strengthened my ability to deliver reliable scientific results within demanding research environments. 15. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I combine strong laboratory skills with analytical thinking, attention to detail, and a genuine passion for scientific research. I understand laboratory safety, quality control, and accurate data analysis. I work well independently and within collaborative teams while maintaining high professional standards. My commitment to continuous learning and producing reliable research results enables me to contribute effectively to your organization's scientific objectives. 16. What is your experience with chromatography? I have used chromatography techniques to separate, identify, and analyze biological compounds. I understand sample preparation, instrument operation, method optimization, and result interpretation. Careful calibration and maintenance ensure reliable performance. Chromatography has helped me analyze proteins, metabolites, and chemical compounds accurately. My experience enables me to troubleshoot common issues while maintaining quality standards and obtaining consistent experimental results. 17. How do you troubleshoot laboratory equipment problems? I first review equipment manuals, inspect settings, and verify calibration. I identify possible mechanical or procedural issues before repeating tests. If problems continue, I consult technical support or experienced colleagues while documenting all troubleshooting steps. Preventative maintenance and routine inspections reduce equipment failures. Systematic troubleshooting minimizes downtime and ensures experiments continue safely with reliable laboratory performance and accurate scientific data. 18. What role does teamwork play in research? Scientific research depends heavily on collaboration because different specialists contribute unique expertise. I communicate openly, share findings, respect diverse perspectives, and assist colleagues whenever needed. Effective teamwork improves problem solving, increases productivity, and enhances research quality. Working collaboratively also encourages knowledge sharing and innovation. I believe supportive professional relationships create stronger scientific outcomes and contribute to successful research projects. 19. Describe your experience with molecular biology techniques. I have practical experience performing DNA extraction, PCR amplification, gel electrophoresis, cloning support, and nucleic acid analysis. I follow established laboratory protocols carefully while ensuring contamination prevention and accurate documentation. These molecular biology techniques have strengthened my understanding of genetic research and biological processes. I continuously improve my technical skills through training and hands-on laboratory experience to support advanced scientific investigations. 20. How do you handle confidential research information? I understand the importance of protecting confidential research data and intellectual property. I follow organizational policies regarding data security, laboratory access, and information sharing. Sensitive information is only discussed with authorized personnel. Maintaining confidentiality protects research integrity, competitive advantages, and regulatory compliance. Professional ethics are essential in scientific research, and I consistently demonstrate responsibility when handling confidential materials and experimental findings. 21. How do you manage repetitive laboratory tasks? I stay focused by understanding that consistency is essential for reliable scientific results. I carefully follow protocols, verify each step, and maintain concentration throughout repetitive procedures. Taking organized notes and scheduling regular quality checks helps prevent mistakes. I remain motivated because even routine laboratory tasks contribute significantly to successful experiments and dependable research outcomes. 22. How would you explain complex scientific findings to non-scientists? I use simple language, avoid unnecessary technical terms, and provide practical examples that relate to everyday situations. My goal is to ensure the audience understands the key message without overwhelming them with scientific details. Clear communication builds trust between researchers, management, healthcare professionals, and the public while supporting informed decision-making based on scientific evidence. 23. What are your strengths as a biochemist? My strengths include analytical thinking, attention to detail, laboratory accuracy, problem solving, and strong organizational skills. I learn new techniques quickly and adapt well to changing research priorities. I communicate effectively with colleagues and consistently follow safety and quality standards. These strengths enable me to conduct reliable experiments while contributing positively to collaborative scientific research environments. 24. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I hope to become a highly skilled biochemist, leading important research projects and mentoring junior scientists. I plan to expand my expertise in advanced laboratory techniques, publish meaningful research, and contribute to innovative discoveries. I also aim to continue developing professionally through certifications, training, and collaboration with multidisciplinary scientific teams while supporting organizational success. 25. Do you have any questions for us? Yes. I would like to know more about your current research projects, laboratory technologies, professional development opportunities, and team structure. I am also interested in understanding your organization's research priorities and expectations for this position during the first year. Asking thoughtful questions demonstrates my enthusiasm for contributing effectively while ensuring the role aligns with my career goals and scientific interests. Preparing for a biochemist interview requires more than scientific knowledge. Employers seek candidates who demonstrate technical expertise, laboratory safety awareness, analytical thinking, communication skills, and a commitment to continuous learning. Practicing these interview questions and answers will help you present your qualifications with confidence while showcasing your ability to contribute to research excellence. Remember to support your responses with real experiences whenever possible. Remain professional throughout the interview and express genuine enthusiasm for scientific discovery. Proper preparation greatly increases your chances of landing your ideal biochemist position.